bad dog before you. I'm a PDS.
The only thing I don't like about this is the way the shutter, when you do this, makes a real loud noise and you can hear it.
Scott, you're rich. So once you've dropped that, you've been hit, you've dropped. I'm sorry, look at the little lights.
Oh, that's absolutely hilarious. That's funny. You get a good close-up of the car.
Just walk back here and wait for the gate.
I wonder if I can see what that patch says over there with this. It doesn't focus in properly. Oh yeah, Russian warship something. I can't read the blue on the yellow, I can only read that white on the blue. Ah, there's a fucking dude on here. Holy shit, look at that.
Oh my gosh! Oh, he's such a cute little spider bloke!
Yeah, I can't kill him, I'm vegan.
Hang on.
Yeah, I don't really want to be caught up in that too much, so kind of backed off. It's more overgrown than I remember it being. This is where all the ganja grows. Don't shoot me, bro. My foot hurts. Don't hit me, guys. I beg of you. Hit the deck. Legitimately hit the deck. Motherfucker! Damn, this place really looks like a Crash Bandicoot level.
I love to play the victim. I love to play the victim. I love to play the victim. I love to pass the blame. I love to play the victim. I love to play the victim. I love to play the victim. I love to pass the blame.
It's not TV forbidden friends. So I can sorry, I want you to be my great fit. So I can sleep, don't do it, it's not good for you. I really know I shouldn't do it, but I got to. I can't stop it, I gotta get a grip. I can't stop it, I gotta get a grip. I can't stop it, I gotta get a grip. I can't stop it, I gotta get a grip.
Shit. Didn't even see that coming.
Next one's up there.
Oh no, come on. I don't get that, that's hilarious.
I want to running first because he needs the exercise.
I love to play the victim. I love to play the victim. I love to play the victim. I love to pass the blame. I love to play the victim.
back again from extraordinary lengths just to justify the ends. No more pressure to pretend.
Lights, camera, action.
Less than what I am, and the story starts again, and the truth comes back in trend. I'm not holy.
I'll let you go first because I'm obviously not part of the game.
Joker card on you, I didn't mean to start on you. Love, it was not enough, I left a scar on you. This game wasn't hard enough, sorry to bother you. Chain life, it was hard on you, might think it martyr out of you. I might walk a lonely road, but I walked it right at you. The fame and the glory is what came from the pleasures and the pain.
Photographer coming through. I can't say marshal because I'm not a marshal. If anyone tries asking me about the game rules, I will not know a thing you're on about. Now that is what I call cinematography right here.
You'll always be by my side, and I'll walk forward with pride. And as legends never die, live forever through the times. Gold cross means you cross my mind. Blind in faith and life on block. 3 steps ahead of you to put you on a pedestal. I never knew a thing, but I knew when I was ready to lie. How to walk the golden
Although they might see the high vis and get a little trigger happy.
to be far away from her place and then above the world. From extraordinary lengths just to justify the ends. No more pressure to pretend to be less than what I am. And the story starts again, and the truth comes back in trend. I'm not holier than thou, but we're trendier than them. But we're trendier than them.
Oh, someone's already in the stream. Shit. Wow.
What can I say? Everything just happened to play out this way. I remember when I was in Miami.
That song's definitely from Pirates of the Caribbean, even the logo. Like, bro.
I got real proud on my face. This shit is crazy. New day, new pain. Nothing was
that was
ever the
grenade.
same. I'm 333 for the aim. The numbers fell from the rain. New year, new me. It used to be 2, now it's 3. The apple fell far from the tree. I hear someone calling to me, but I go too hard on the weed. Played up at the club on the E. Trash star, yeah, let go. Build peace with peace. I'm tripping too hard, PCP. This shit got me down on my knees. Open the window, yeah, we spray for breeze. What's the meaning? In the end, it's all dreams. Slow motion, we can run down the beat. In the night, I will eat. If it's real, then it bleeds. I hear someone calling to me. Make it be a part of me. Make it be a part of me. In the night I will eat. If it's real then it bleeds. If it's real then it bleeds. If it's real then it bleeds. I